Let's talk about the rough market. When wholesale diamond demand slows, there's inevitably a discussion about volume versus price among rough suppliers and their buyers. Should the majors who sell via long-term contract reduce prices to stimulate demand, or maintain their prices and sell less while the market is down? They typically do the latter. For example, during COVID, they froze their rough sales and their prices until market activity returned, and that helped the midstream reduce polished inventory and the overall recovery. In the current market, De Beers informed site holders that it increased the buyback option for rough above 1 carat at next week's site. That means that site holders can sell back to De Beers 20% of their allocations of that category rather than the 10% that De Beers usually allows. De Beers is essentially reducing its supply for those larger goods, or easing the burden of site holders having to buy those goods which have been weak in recent weeks. Petra Diamonds also noted weak demand for 1 to 5 carat rough and extended its October tender to encourage more bidding on those category goods. The company's revenue fell 9% to $104 million in the September quarter. In the polished market, trading has been slow this week as India shut down for Diwali. Polished prices continue to decline amid weak demand, and we are seeing an increase in inventory in the polished market. The high end is doing well, with De Beers research showing that brands are gaining market share boosted by their ethical assurances. That all said, the trade is tempering its end-of-year growth expectations. Mind you, that is compared to the strong numbers recorded last year. De Beers Insight report estimated that in 2021, global rough sales grew by 47% to $16.4 billion. Production rose 11% to 128 million carats. Polished demand increased 27% to $28 billion. And diamond jewelry demand jumped 27% to $87 billion, more indication of what a good year last year was. In other news, Swarovski, Breitling, Zales, which is part of the Signet Group, all expanded their lab-grown offerings with some notable developments in the bridal segment. And De Beers has named actress Lupita Nyong'o as its first global ambassador. If you think about it, that adds to Tiffany working with Beyonce, the Natural Diamond Council working with Lily James, and so at last we see some really high-profile names advocating for the natural diamond industry. Long may it continue. So that's our take on the diamond market for this week, ending October 28th, 2022. Thanks for watching. Happy Diwali to everyone who's celebrating, and have a great week, everyone.
Get the highest cash prices when you sell your Melly and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Talk to an expert today.